Letchon Manok is ready. I already pre-marinated it for 3 hours. Inside there's lemongrass, garlic cloves, a lot of garlic and green onions. And also I inserted them green onions, garlic powder, garlic, ginger, grated ginger, fresh ginger, and soy sauce and some salt. And what else I put in there? You know, all the good stuff, the Filipino good stuff, Filipino secret recipes for your Filipino. So, yeah. So, I'm marinating the other one for the next day. So, I marinated two, and one goes in the oven right now. I'm not gonna use my smoker or my air fryer because my air fryer, this one whole chicken is not gonna fit. It's kind of chicky and fatty and healthy chicken. And there you go. So this chicken will go in the oven, and the other one will go next week. And I have my red potatoes already marinated, and I'll bake it too. Okay, let's get this dinner going. So chicken, looking good, guys. Also called sausawan in Philippines. It has fresh ginger, shallots, hot chili oil. I put hot chili oil and cucumbers, and some black pepper and soy sauce, and apple cider vinegar. And we're gonna put more chili in there. So this is what it looks like. See? Skin is crispy already. So ladies, we're gonna flip this big bird. Ginger and the lemongrass.